So, my fashion fix arrived today and I thought I'd give you guys a preview. My name's Marissa. I have the website, Marissa's Bling on a Budget. These are actually one of the only items that I'll do a pre-order for. This is the May fashion fix. So I just received the box today. I'm just opening it today. And so if you guys are consultants, hey Alexa, if you guys are consultants, then you'll know that Fashion Fix is a monthly subscription. You have to call and get on the list. It's like a 3-month waiting list right now. It gives you 5 exclusive sets to order from. We get them before we're allowed to order them so we can show them to the customers. I did this last month, and this month I'm going to do this again. So I received the 5 sets. I'm going to go ahead and start showing them to you guys. Hey! I know, I love my crowns. So I'm going to go ahead and start showing them to you guys. If you guys are consultants and you're not on Fashion Fix, do it. It increased my business by 1/3. It's the best thing since sliced bread. Okay, so the first one I'm opening is Simply Santa Fe. And also, if you ordered from me last night, I did ordered from me last month, I did invoice for the Fashion Fix sets that came in today. They're all sitting in a box waiting for payment. They'll go out tomorrow. So this is actually the Simply Santa Fe. And this is a silver necklace. I'm getting glare. This is a silver necklace. It has the blue turquoise stone in the center. And that is Crackle that has the blue. Hey Carmen. Hey Angela. So this is the necklace that goes to the Simply Santa Fe. Now how I do it, some consultants do it where you have to order the whole set. I allow you to order individual pieces. These are, hey Jennifer, hi Phyllis. These are the earrings that accompany it. So the Simply Santa Fe comes with, hey Jennifer, comes with this necklace. Now, what they do is they give you 4 pieces that all go together within a set. It's like perfect, it's magic. And on top of it, they are interchangeable pieces. So obviously Paparazzi does it where you guys, hey Karen, where you guys can go ahead and mix and match these with other pieces. So this is the bracelet that comes with the Simply Santa Fe, and it has the elastic. And this Simply Santa Fe actually comes with 2 bracelets. So the other bracelet is a hinge, and it is the large stone, just like the one you guys saw. And yeah, right? I'm like, Jennifer, don't open that. That's my fashion fix. She was over today. And so this one has the Crackle stone as well. Hi, Paula. I'm showing the fashion fix for this month that I can pre-order on the 5th. So I usually give you guys a preview. Then immediately after the video, I'm going to post pictures. You can either buy full sets or you can buy individual pieces. And then it also comes with this ring. Love this ring too. That's really cute. Something to throw on with jeans and a t-shirt. This is the Simply Santa Fe. The ring's called Western Frontier. So these are the 4 pieces to the Santa Fe set, Simply Santa Fe. And then I'll show you guys, this is usually one of my favorites. I usually have 2 that are totally my favorites. This time I have 3. I'm not a huge turquoise person. I do wear it a lot in the summer. So this one is called Fiercely 5th Avenue, and these are gorgeous. This is rhinestone upon rhinestone. This is usually the glitz and glam. And so this one here is the necklace that comes with it. It's silver, and it comes down. It's a mid-length, and those are all a row of white rhinestones graduated down to the center. And then it has the white rhinestone earrings to match. And then it has the bracelet that matches, which is a clasp bracelet. Look at that. It's beautiful. They give you a set of earrings with us. Now, Paparazzi necklaces always come with earrings, but when you buy the collection, usually they'll give you an extra set. So those are giant studs. They're beautiful. And then it also gives you this ring, which this ring is killer. Look at this. So it has a skinny band and it has the white rhinestones. It's just a simple, I mean, this could pass as a wedding band. It's beautiful. So that's the Fiercely Fifth Avenue. And then it gives you the Glimpses of Malibu. I'm going to have to say, and a lot of you guys that watch me know hearts are my favorite. So that's why this one's probably going to win me over the most. And it's sad because I've seen other consultants posting it. I haven't even opened up the box yet. So it just came today. So this is the Glimpses of Malibu necklace. Now it has a sky blue and the little heart dangles. The matching earrings that come with the necklace are these blue. And so like I said, I'll do this for pre-order. And you don't have to order the whole set. If you just see one piece out of this set and one piece out of that set, and I'll have the pictures posted with the sets and the pieces. So it has this little heart ring. Those are tiny little hearts all swirled into each other, and it is on the skinny band. And then it has these earrings, which are basically like a filigree swirl. These hoops, they're smaller, they're about 1.5 inches. You missed 2 of the sets. You missed Simply Santa Fe, and I'll recap when I'm done just to show you. Then the bracelet that goes with it. How you doing, Tammy? Look at the bracelet that goes with it. This blue, these hearts are just adorbs. They are so cute. And then, so those are the 4 pieces to that set. So it gives you the hearts. I'm pretty good. I'm enjoying that it's not raining like it was supposed to be here in Michigan today. So that was the Glimpses of Malibu set. Right now, I don't know if you guys can see, this is last month's set. So this had that pearl ring. It had the Alex and Annie inspired bracelet. It had these pearl earrings, and then I'll show you guys my necklace. And then I had this necklace. I just put these up on the site. I know, you know what? I love fashion picks. I'm so glad. When I started, I signed under somebody who wasn't very helpful. Let's just put it that way. And so it was a learning experience until I found the person that person was signed under. And ever since then, things have been grandiose. I mean, I can't thank the person that I signed up under more with how much she had helped me to get where I'm at. So this set comes with these gold earrings. I mean, this is like, I've never seen such a statement piece come out of this. So these are the earrings. And this is the Magnificent Musings. Look at that necklace. And I'll put it on the bust because it's easier to see on the black velvet. I'm just making a mess, guys. Making a mess. So there is the necklace, and it's multi links with the gold. And then if you notice, some of the links have a etching on them, so it gives it an extra sheen. Hey, Stephanie Miller, how you doing? Oh, the one that I'm wearing, it's sitting in a package. I don't know, didn't pay attention to who had done the pre-orders. I did box everything up, or who had paid for their pre-orders. But if you did do a pre-order from last month, you pay when they come in. I don't like to invoice. Hi, how you doing, Elizabeth? So I don't like to invoice until I have the merchandise in hand. Paparazzi is a very reliable company. I usually don't have any problems, but just on the oh, perfect. It's going out to you in the morning then. Paparazzi is a really reliable company. Every now and then I've had an incident where something didn't come in that I ordered. And so I always make sure I have merchandise in hand before I bill you guys out. So this is that matching bracelet. And like I said, these are all statement stunner pieces. Like this gold is off the charts. You know, you pair this with a little black dress, a cocktail dress, people are going to notice you. So then it has the gold ring, and the ring has the etching along it as well for that sheen. And of course, all of our rings are stretchy. This is the thicker stretch band. But I mean, look at this. So this is that set here. I'll just recap. I'll show you the necklace, and then the bracelet, the earrings, and the ring. I mean, that's just gorgeous. Then they have this set here. This is the Sunset Sightings. So last month they had a really pretty feather necklace. So I've only seen it when other consultants were showing it. And I apologize, I usually don't open packages on my shows. I'm opening the packages now just so that way it's a surprise for both of us, right? I am wonderful. You know what? It has been nice weather here today. So here is the bracelet. Now I love this. Sunset Sightings is usually not my style. And the nice thing about the 5 sets is there's something for everyone. So there's the turquoise lovers, like, you know, the Midwestern. There's the bling bling. There's the super gold. You name it. They always have something for everybody. That's why this is so important to get on if you are a consultant. It's awesome. Pre-ordering jewelry. So now Paparazzi, let's say my fashion fix from last month that I invoiced for as soon as it came in, that fashion fix took till today to get. So I ordered it on the 5th. There's never any promises that I can get it. I'm very quick, ladies. I stay up. I'm very diligent to get you guys what you want. I haven't had a problem this far. So if you notice up close, that is like a burnt umber or like a dark cherry. And then it comes down into this tassel. It is one of the longer necklaces. And so I'm curious, they probably gave us some earrings to go with it instead of the tassels. But like I said, this is beautiful because you can order individual pieces. If you only like one thing, and I was watching the other consultants, and I know a lot of them only have you buy the sets. But I go ahead and I have you guys order what you like. So this is the stone arches. It's a oval red ring. And it has the silver embellishments up at the top and the bottom. Of course, all of the rings you're going to see here are stretchy band. And then they have these earrings, which I think the earrings are just killer. Like I said, this usually isn't my favorite set, but I love these earrings and I love that bracelet that I showed you. So the only thing that really has the color is going to be that ring and then the necklace. And so this is all silver. These are etched, and these are fairly lightweight as well. And so I'll recap now. So this is the last set that I showed. It's the longer necklace. It has these embellishments here, and then it has the tassel. And that is to go with these earrings, and then it's to go with this ring. And then, I make such a mess, I get so excited to open this stuff. This bracelet here. So that is the, I'm trying to see, I can't see and do this at the same time. That is the set for Sunset Sightings. Now let me grab the other set. Then the first set I showed was the Simply Santa Fe. So it had this large, I mean that's a statement piece too. I just love this. So other consultants are able to order this, but they are not able to order it until the 20th. So if you have a consultant that you guys use, they can order it on the 20th, but they can only order what is not sold out. So that went with this piece, oops, here, and then it went with this bracelet, and this bracelet, and then where is my ring? Oh my, I just throw things in piles, guys. Here we go. Nope, that's the wrong ring. All right, I'll get back to that, guys. I'm a mess. You see, I get so excited, all my bags are everywhere. Train wreck. Oh, then let's do this one because I have it sitting right here. This was the Magnificent Musings. So this is all rhinestones. I'm trying to get up so you guys can see it, but because there's actually daylight, I'm usually not used to going on in the daylight. You're seeing a little bit of a glare. It comes with these giant studs. These are not like the Blockbuster Just in Timeless. These are large and in charge studs. So this is definitely going to glitter across the room. And it came with this bracelet, which also has the graduated rhinestones. It's silver, comes into the white. And then it also had the skinny band. Now, if you're a consultant, I'm going to tell you, anything that looks like a wedding band sells phenomenally. Yep, I'm selling the sets. So as soon as we get off of the video, If you're not a member of my jewelry group, go ahead and join. I can send you the link if you message me. And then I take all the pre-orders in that. And then the set that I'm wearing today, which is this here, just came in. So I just fulfilled a whole bunch of Fashion Fix. And that will be on the website. So all of last month came in. I have a bunch of it. It's selling quickly though, because that's what Fashion Fix does. And then here's the gold set. Very beautiful. Like I said, a lot of statement pieces this time. Between the rhinestones in the one and these gold pieces in the other. I'm trying to see. There we go. If I show it down here, then I don't get as much glare. And then also the blue set that I had. Now the blue set is the Glimpses of Malibu. And that is the blue one with these dangle hearts. Oh yeah, you're a member. You're a member, Bella. So then it has the swirl ring, and then it also has the earrings that match. These hoops are stunning. And then it also has the bracelet. So I am going to immediately post the pictures. You guys will just comment if you want a single piece, and you'll see when you get to it if you want a single piece or if you want whole sets. I do not invoice until the sets arrive, and I explain that. And plus, I don't want to tie down your money. You guys, you'll find other jewelry you want in the meantime. And it was the 5th that I ordered, and I'm, 21 days. So about 3 weeks for it to get here, okay? Sure. Michael, can you send Paula the VIP link?
Sure, of course.
Paula Karan. I hope I said that right. Karan. So thanks a lot, guys. And if you guys ever have any questions, or if you're a consultant and you have questions about Fashion Fix, I'd love to help you. I'm totally about helping other people. So.
Right now, before you go off, 2 seconds.
What?
I'll post it right now in the video before you go.
Oh, Michael's going to post the VIP link in the video, so you guys can access it that way. And immediately following this, you guys can see and order what I just showed. Okay? Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.